Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded, your go-to channel for smart, simple, and practical tech tutorials. Today, I've got a really useful tip for anyone who creates documents in Microsoft Word. Whether you're formatting an examination paper, designing a form, or just want to make your text look extra neat and professional. We're going to learn how to align text to the left, center, and right, all on the same line in Microsoft Word. Let's say you want to format something like this. Form 2 on the left, duration, 1 hour 30 mins in the center, and paper, 2 and once on the right, all appearing on just one line. Let me show you two easy and clean methods to achieve this. Method 1, using columns. First, make sure each of your text blocks, that is, the form, duration, and paper, is typed separately, each on its own line. This gives Word the structure it needs to organize them properly. Now, select all three blocks of text together. Head over to the Layout tab on the ribbon. Click on Columns, and from the options, choose 3. Just like that, Word places each block of text into its own column, one on the left, one in the center, and one on the right. The first block, Form 2, is already aligned to the left, so we can leave it just the way it is. To center the middle block, duration, 1 hour 30 mins, simply place your cursor in that section and use the Center Alignment button from the paragraph group. Or even quicker, just press Ctrl-E on your keyboard. Now for the final block, paper 2 and 1. Click in that column and align it to the right using the Right Align button or the shortcut Ctrl-R. And there you have it. All three blocks perfectly aligned across one line, giving your document a clean and professional layout. Method 2, using a table. Let's explore another neat approach that gives you more control. Using a table. Just like before, begin by typing your 3 blocks of text, each on its own line. Then, highlight them all. Next, go to the Insert tab, click on Table, and from the drop-down, choose Convert Text to Table. A dialog box will pop up. Word may suggest the number of columns and rows based on your text, but we're going to customize it. In the Separate Text At section, select Paragraph, so each line becomes a separate column. Now change the number of columns to 3 characters, and Word will automatically adjust the number of rows to cell 1. Perfect! Once you click OK, you'll see your text neatly placed into 3 columns within a single row. From here, all we need to do is align the text in each cell. Keep the first cell left aligned. Select the text in the middle cell and center it. Then move to the last cell and right align that one. Now, we don't want the table lines to be visible in the final document, so go ahead and select the entire table. In the Table Design tab, or from the Paragraph group, find the Borders drop-down menu. Choose No Border, and the lines will disappear, leaving only the clean, well-aligned text. And just like that, you've formatted your document like a pro. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another tutorial. And hey, I want to hear from you. How do you usually align text like this in Word? Do you use tabs, tables, or some other method? Drop your technique in the comment section below. Let's learn from each other. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, right here on Zimist Coded. Stay creative, stay curious, and keep coding smart.